Forms to be used during the life cycle of a patent application. During the filing of an application, Form 1, 2, 3, 5 and 26 to be used. Form 4 to be used in case you require extension of time. During the application phase, in case you wish to substitute an applicant, Form 6 needs to be used. Similarly, in case you would want to mention somebody as inventor as such, Form 8 needs to be used. To move the application forward, you are required to file a request for examination with the Patent Office. This needs to be done using Form 18 within 48 months from the priority date. In case of an expedited request for examination, Form 18A needs to be used. Since examination happens only post-publication, a request for early publication on Form 9 needs to be placed in case publication hasn't happened yet. As the patent application gets published and the request for examination get filed, any person can oppose the grant of a patent using Form 7A. The same can be opposed by you using Form 14, which is a form that needs to be used for opposing any activity at the Patent Office as applicable. As the patent gets granted, in case you wish to substitute the applicant in the circumstances where the original applicants have died or the company ceased to exist, then you need to use Form 10. During the grant phase, within 1 year from the grant of the application, any person interested can file a notice of opposition of the grant of the patent using Form 7. Again, this can be opposed by you using Form 14. Talking of disputes, Form 11 can be used by the patentee to approach the controller to seek his direction for resolving any disputes with regards to any activity that they wish to perform on the patent. Staying on the dispute, during any revocation or opposition proceeding, if it is proved that the invention was wrongfully obtained from the opposing party, then Form 12 can be used by this opposing party to request the controller to grant the opposed patent on his own name. Now, there could be a scenario where you wish to amend your patent application. This could be done using Form 13, both pre and post grant of the patent application. Post grant of the application, Form 14 can be used by any other party who opposes such amendments by you. Form 14 we already talked. This is the form that needs to be used to oppose any activity at the Patent Office as applicable. During the grant phase, if your patent ceases to exist or becomes lapsed due to non-payment of the renewal fee, you can approach the controller using Form 15 requesting for restoration of the patent. Again, the same can be opposed using Form 14 by an opposing party. Form 16 can be used for registering or recording any licenses or agreement between the parties with regards to any patent. Moving to the compulsory licensing. Form 17 can be used by any person interested for obtaining compulsory licensing after the expiry of 3 years from the grant of the patent. Form 19 can be used by an opposing party for revocation of the patent for non-working of the patent. Form 20 to be used to revise the terms and condition of a CL. Again, this can be opposed using Form 14. Form 21 to be used for termination of CL. Again, this can be opposed on Form 14. Form 22 and Form 23 are for people like you. Form 22 to be used for registering yourself as a patent agent. And Form 23 to be used to restore your name as a patent agent in case the same was deleted due to non-payment of the fees or for any other activities which were not in compliance with the Patents Act. Form 24 is to be used when you want the controller to revisit its decision under Section 77. Form 25 is to request for foreign filing license from the Patent Office. Form 26 is power of attorney. Form 27 is to be used for providing details of the working of invention to the Patent Office every year. Form 28 is to be used to claim the status of small entity or startup. Form 29 is to withdraw the application under Section 11B. And Form 30 is the form to be used when no other form is applicable for the request that you are making. That's it then. All the best and do well.